So hey there, Amazon world. I want to share with you this new alarm clock I purchased. I've been using my phone forever for alarm clocks, and I'm getting a little tired of setting off the 911 call accidentally. So it's time to buy an alarm clock to use instead. This little guy is pretty cool. It's got some great features. The radio works very well on it. It's called a USCCE. And it's awesome. It really is. I really like it. I find it very easy to set up. As you can see right now, the alarms are not set, so I'm going to show you how to do that. If you look to the right of the face there, you will see the temperature in the room, which is a pretty cool feature, and you can set that to centigrade or Fahrenheit. The time right now is in military time, but you can set that to regular time, 1 to 12 hours, as opposed to the 24 hours. There are 2 alarms on it. This button right here on top is how you set your alarm. You press it until it blinks there on the left. Then you turn this snooze button up on the top and you set the time that you need to get up. And then you just press it again. That's the hours. Now you can set the minutes. I'm not going to change that right now. And then you press it again. And then it gives you the options of how you want, what kind of alarm you want. Number 5, as you hear, is like a piano concerto. Number 4 is bird chirping, nature. Number 3 is an old-time phone, or alarm clock, I should say. Number 2 is also music. Number 1 is that horrible beeping. And I think there's a 6 too, so let me go back up. 6 is the radio. As you can hear, the FM radio is very good. And you can set it to default to the radio station that you like, or it will always default to the last one that you happen to have played. And I think that's it as far as it. So that's set that alarm. As you can see, it's set down on the bottom. And then you can do the same thing, which I'm not going to go through completely, but you can do the same thing with the second alarm. All right, well, actually, I will set it because I have to get up. So I'm going to go down to 5 and 45. Snooze button on the top, which is the dial I'm turning. If you hit that in the morning when your alarms go off, it will snooze it for 9 minutes. All right, we'll set this one for that. All right, there are volume buttons. As you heard the alarms, you actually can, let me just do that real fast. Sorry, I'm a little close there. Turn it off. All right, I'll hold it to set it. Okay, I'll set 5. I'll set 545. I got 2 volume buttons. You can turn it down, or you can turn it up to a higher volume. Volume is 16, which is pretty loud, as you can hear. I'm a light sleeper, so I can get up to a lower number. All right, so that's that. I'm going to set that. Oops. And it's set. Okay. And time set is here. Pretty much works the same way. I'm not going to take you through that. There's a radio. It's FM radio. And then you change the dials here, the stations, using the snooze button again. So we'll set that actually. Alright, I'm not going to change it because I really don't want to change my station, but you would change it here. And as you can see, the station number is down in the right-hand corner there. 95.5 New York is a great station. Alright, turn that off. Alright, and one last thing, show you on the back. There are some more controls on the back. There is, for your alarms, you can set it so that for each alarm to go off just every day, Monday through Sunday, just weekdays, Monday through Friday, or just on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday.